We got shelves, you guys. We got shelves, you guys. Welcome to Miss Carter's. I am doing a motivation video with you guys because I need motivation to get all of this stuff. All of this. Check this out, guys. I've got to move all of this stuff. Just look at it. Onto those metal shelves. But we have to get the metal shelves to the wall. Oh my God. This is an old vision board I did in probably 2010 or 2011. Massage, film festival, Chanel perfume, fine linens, a huge breakfast bar, island in the kitchen. And that's what my kitchen looks like now, you guys. 10 years ago. This is 10 years old. See? That's what my kitchen looks like now. And I love sequins and being fancy and happy. And it came true. All my dreams came true. I had that haircut. I love culture. I did it.